Scott Featherstone. I'm an IT guy, sit behind a desk all the time. And then when I go home, I play video games, so I'm sitting basically always. I came in because I got into a motorcycle accident. I had 30, maybe 34 to 36, maybe even 38 degrees of twist here in the mid-back. I had neck problems, lower back swelling, and compression. I basically had issues from my neck all the way down. And I had never been to a chiropractor. I knew that something was wrong, that I wasn't straight. I just felt that any kind of twisting hurt, any lifting of anything hurt. I couldn't jog, things, just the vibration of going up and down made things hurt. After the adjustment, well, I won't lie, it hurt a little bit, but I think that's because I had such a severe twist of these vertebrae right here. It's kind of surprised me, but immediately I felt, it's kind of hard to describe, but it felt like someone had replaced my spine with one that was correct. That doesn't make any sense, but it's like everything felt so much more aligned. It just felt even and straight, and immediately I could tell, just slight motions. The next day I went sprinting on the beach, and there was zero pain. It was unbelievable. So the doctor said I had years of neglect and little injuries that I guess over time compounds and gets worse. And that one adjustment, and this was just 5 or 6 days ago, that one adjustment was correcting years of neglect and small issues that I guess kind of left unlooked after, just got worse. And I really didn't realize how much my back was bothering me, my neck, upper, mid, lower, until I got fixed. And it was, I was really trying to figure out why this wasn't a part of my health insurance's normal coverage. I even specifically asked, hey, do you think a chiropractor would help? Oh no, we don't do that. We don't send people to chiropractors. And I was like, well, I know for sure, I'm not a doctor, but I know for sure things in here are twisted, and I can just tell, because I used to be able to do this and now I can't. So it doesn't take a rocket scientist. And as soon as I got adjusted, man, it was incredible. I wish I could think of better words to describe how much of a difference I feel. I feel balanced, strength, pain gone. I feel stronger. It's really amazing.